Okay, I'm officially in New York. If you cannot tell, it's extremely cold here. If it's your first time here, I want to say it's your boy Trenez Scott. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back. You are no stranger to New York Fashion Week.
Sergio Hudson credited has been making a name dressing celebrities like Beyonce, Kendall Jenner,
Last night I talked to Sergio Hudson about his career and designing not only for Michelle Obama, but also the Vice President Kamala Harris.
Yeah, I guess there's a positive side that emerged. Sergio Hudson.
You're no stranger to these vlogs. If I don't vlog any other time during the year, I always vlog during New York Fashion Week, so.
Like and subscribe.
Okay. Don't forget to hit that bell, hit all that good stuff, so you can keep up. All right, let's go. It is cute. So, for you guys who aren't unaware, or this is your first time on my channel, I am full-time fashion stylist, which we'll talk about that on another note. But I'm also a new candle business owner. But also outside of that, I work for Sergio Hudson, the brand, and I am in my 10th season. This show Friday is the 10th year anniversary, and I do literally anything under the sun that falls under admin, social content, liaison type of stuff like that's normally where my role is. So all like your big merchants or sponsors, most times, just depending, like when it pertains to socials or like locations and logistics, normally I'm like that liaison between the CFO of the company and then the actual sponsor of the brand. So that's kind of what I do. I work virtually in Atlanta, so I come here every season. Last year was my first Met Gala that I actually got a chance to work for, so I was super excited about that, and I'm hoping that this year be the same thing, but we'll see how that goes.
See you tomorrow.
I love you, baby. Stay with me, and you will see my arms. Will hold you, baby. Never. Yeah, I feel like I'm really lighter. Turn around, please.
It's funny, the more I look at it, that's offended I am, but my first reaction. You know, what's your shoe size?
You want me first?
No, isn't her.
She would.
Oh, not a baby anymore.
I'm good, how are you?
Doing well. Thank you so much for taking out the time to help me with this merchant setup.
I feel no shame on love. Sweet love, do you ever come away and
laid out on the table.
Yeah.
Need help with that?
Oh, not at the moment.
That is the end of day 1, 2, 3. Day 3. Today was a wrap on fittings. Tomorrow we start fittings again. And then Friday's the show. I personally have been working on stuff for Google for the company. I haven't really had much time to get as much footage. Don't let it fool you. There's a lot that I do. But yeah. Kind of standing around. Yeah. What are you guys talking about? I didn't hire nobody because nobody's getting paid. You see how y'all throw that on me? This young lady right here.
And she loved them.
Speaking from an intern right here.
Well, I do a pretty good job. I like that.
Huh? Try to say you love me. Tell it a little bit more, buddy. Tell it a little bit more. Thank you. Hey, good, perfect.
Let me. Good.
This one, you want this one?
No, under.
Let's do it. What's up, baby brother? How you doing? Look at my ones and twos. Look at my guy right here. Come on, show that pretty face. What's up, man?
You good, man.
All right, let's do it. Hey.
Hi, thank you. I'm Anita back on the owner, Sergio Hudson. Nice to meet you.
How are you? You good?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Mary too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Mary too. Because no one was so long.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Hold over there. Oh, I'm so good.
Come on, man.
You got the picture?
Yeah, I got
Yeah, it's perfectly. I'm like, who else is gonna wear this? She did. Wasn't here. Oh yeah. We got a few this season. We still have a pair she can fit. Because her foot's not that big, and if we have some here, they might be the. And she's back.
Doing my makeup too.
Okay, turn to the profile. And then slightly straight. Yep. And keep pulling to your right, slowly over your shoulder, to the right. And then, yeah, fantastic.
Looks great.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab Addison.
I was devastated.
Yeah, you know it. Hey, Asha, how you doing? Darling.
What's winning today? What's up, baby?
Everything's good.
Yeah.
So I want to do stuff like really big and and then I also want to do
Anna Wintour's hair. So, and we did it coming down the stairs in the library, upstairs. Yeah. This is where the tents used to be in Bryant Park with, leaky roofs and wet floors. And you know, so many Isaac Mizrahi shows, Mark Jacobs, Michael Kors. Oh yeah, Betsy Johnson, yeah, who would always ask you to do a cartwheel on stage if you knew how. Yep.
Our new, first ever skincare product. This is our 10-10 plumping serum, and seeing Sergio use this to prep the skin like literally made my heart flutter, because this is really about, we like to say it's like CPR for your skin and getting that skin ready for all the makeup that's to come. Really natural, super hydrating, just really plumping up.
Peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta
my heart, y'all.
10th month, 10th year, 10th month anniversary.
Greg?
Oh, there is. He took off his.
Bring some light in your face. I don't want you to smile and like do that. It is serious, but you know, kind of eat it up. I don't want you to do a bunch of extra stuff. I do like the simple walk, but I do want you to like evoke some fierceness. Yes, but don't move a lot. Don't do too much twirling and all. I don't want that. I want people to really see the clothes this time. So, but just don't get me dead, okay? You know, bring some life to your face.
Minutes or so before the show starts. We've already done a walkthrough. It is time to get this show on the road. If I don't tell you guys before then, I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. And
It's the best. Make sure to follow.
Get somebody to like fan them.
Especially these two. Anna particularly, she has all that latex on.
Yeah.
Give me white earrings, somebody. Give me white earrings.
No, I can't.
Nobody?
This one is closed and this one. Need one more rubber band.
JP on the. She cries to the heaven above. There's a stone in my heart. She lives alive.
For an answer.
I would have got it done somehow.
Okay. I want to say, hey, I got to take one for the team. Got to get in there a little blowy.
Look, she talking about grown men. I don't play with kids. Lily, she said, Lily, leave me alone. I ain't in the room.
Yes.
Yes.
You guys can follow me.
Hello, how are you?
How you doing?
Good.
could look at me and know that I love you. Anyone who ever
Welcome to the Michelangelo